Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to carry out SUMIF function in Excel. The SUMIF function is used to sum values that meet multiple criteria. It allows you to specify one range to add up as well as multiple ranges and criteria to define the conditions. So this is the syntax of SUMIFs. Let's see how we can do this in Excel. In the first column, we are having the region. In the second column, the month. In the third column, the sales amount. Now, what our objective is that whenever I write the region and the month, let's say north region with January. So wherever this condition is activated, North January 500, the sales is 500, and here North January is 400. It should give me the total here. Now the next thing which I will do is click on this region, go in the data, go in the data validation, activate the data validation, activate the list here, and I'll do it again for you. Just select this region, click OK. Now you click on this month, that is F2, activate data validation, and again list, and select this month, click OK. So you can see here north and the month appears. So you'll be able to just activate this box. Now what I want to do is I want to introduce the sum ifs function here. So sum ifs, take the sales figure. Now specify the region, comma, activate E2. So whatever region which I write here, the search is to be carried out here, comma, then select the month, comma, and click here in this month. So whatever month I write here, it's the search is to be carried out from B column. Close the bracket, enter, done. Now see how it's working. Let me maximize it. Let me write here West. Let's check. West January, the sales amount is 800. South February. So South and February. So it's 900 only, right? Let's check for North January. North and here January. So it is giving me 900. Let's check. North January 500. North, this is February. No, North January 400. So 500 plus 400, 900. So this was all about using SUMIF function in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.